An aircraft engine generates thrust that is required for the complete duration of the flight. The engines are also responsible for generating electricity, pressurizing hydraulic fluid, oil, and fuel. These pumps and generators are installed in an aircraft gearbox. Hi, welcome to JXJ Aviation. In this video, we will be looking at what is an aircraft gearbox, the types of gearboxes, and their requirements. Why is the gearbox installed? The shafts in a gas turbine engine rotate at very high speeds. If a generator or pump is directly connected to a shaft, it won't be able to manage those shaft speeds and will burn off. The gearbox reduces the shaft speed to efficiently run the generators and pumps. On turboprop engines, or helicopters, the gearbox is used to reduce the rotation speed of the shaft to efficiently spin the propeller or fan blades. This gearbox is called an accessory gearbox. This gearbox is called a reduction gearbox. What is an accessory gearbox? This gearbox is installed on the side or the bottom of a gas turbine engine. This gearbox is connected to a shaft in the engine. The gearbox consists of a series of interconnected gears. When the shaft spins, it rotates the gears. The gears rotate at a slower speed when compared to the engine shaft. These gears run crucial components required for different systems, such as the electric generator for generating electrical power, pumps for pressurizing hydraulic fluid, oil, and fuel. What is a reduction gearbox? This gearbox is installed in turboprop engines and helicopters. The gearbox is connected to the engine's shaft. The gearbox reduces the engine's shaft speed for the propeller or the helicopter blades. By reducing this speed, the efficiency of the propeller or the blades increases. Requirements of a gearbox. An aircraft's gearbox must be light in weight, so they are made from specialized alloys. They must handle intense heat, so it must have a dedicated cooling system. That's all for my video on an aircraft's gearbox. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe and share.